Hey science fans! Ready for the ultimate middle school science showdown? Let's see how many you can get right. What process turns liquid water into water vapor? Is it A, condensation, B, evaporation, or C, freezing? It's B, evaporation! Nailed it! Liquid turns into gas. Which organelle is famously known as the powerhouse of the cell? Is it A, nucleus, B, ribosome, or C, mitochondria? It's C, mitochondria! Awesome! They make cellular energy. What state of matter has a definite volume but no definite shape? Is it A, liquid, B, gas, or C, solid? It's A, liquid! Nice job! They flow to fit containers. Which planet is closest to the sun? Is it A, Venus, B, Mercury, or C, Mars? It's B, Mercury! You got it! It orbits super fast. What force pulls objects down toward the center of the Earth? Is it A, friction, B, magnetism, or C, gravity? It's C, gravity! Brilliant! It keeps our feet grounded. What green pigment absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis? Is it A, chlorophyll, B, melanin, or C, carotenoid? It's A, chlorophyll! Sweet! It makes plants green. Which organ pumps blood throughout the human body? Is it A, lungs, B, heart, or C, brain? It's B, heart! Love that! It pumps life everywhere. What do we call an animal that eats only plants? Is it A, carnivore, B, omnivore, or C, herbivore? It's C, herbivore! Spot on. They love eating greens. What is the chemical formula for water? Is it A, CO2, B, H2O, or C, NaCl? It's B, H2O. Easy peasy. 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. What is the outermost layer of the Earth? Is it A, crust, B, mantle, or C, core? It's A, crust. Oof, tricky. It's the rocky outer shell. Which poles of 2 magnets will attract each other? Is it A, like poles, B, opposite poles, or C, north and north? It's B, opposite poles, magnetic. Opposites always attract. What instrument is used to see microscopic organisms? Is it A, telescope, B, microscope, or C, periscope? It's B, microscope. Perfect. It magnifies tiny things. What happens when light waves bounce off a shiny surface? Is it A, reflection, B, refraction, or C, absorption? It's A, reflection. Shiny. Light bounces right back. Which subatomic particle has a negative charge? Is it A, proton, B, neutron, or C, electron? It's C, electron. Shocking. They orbit the nucleus. What type of boundary occurs when 2 tectonic plates slide past each other? Is it A, transform, B, convergent, or C, divergent? It's A, transform. Whoa, they slide horizontally. What type of rock is formed from cooled magma or lava? Is it A, sedimentary, B, igneous, or C, metamorphic? It's B, igneous, rock solid. It cools from lava. What is the jelly-like substance that fills a cell? Is it A, cell wall, B, cytoplasm, or C, vacuole? It's B, cytoplasm. Squishy! It supports the organelles. Which system is responsible for breaking down food into nutrients? Is it A, circulatory system, B, digestive system, or C, nervous system? It's B, digestive system. Yum! It processes your food. What is a giant cloud of dust and gas in space where stars are born? Is it A, nebula, B, asteroid, or C, black hole? It's A, nebula, stellar. It's a star nursery. What instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Is it A, thermometer, B, barometer, or C, anemometer? It's B, barometer. Under pressure, it tracks weather. What is the unit used to measure electrical resistance? Is it A, volt, B, ampere, or C, ohm? It's C, ohm. Shocking! It resists electrical flow. What do we call the non-living parts of an ecosystem, like rocks and water? Is it A, biotic factors, B, abiotic factors, or C, decomposers? It's B, abiotic factors. Cool! Non-living but vital. What is the term for the physical expression of a gene, like blue eyes? Is it A, genotype, B, phenotype, or C, chromosome? It's B, phenotype. Looking good. It's the physical look. What type of circuit has only one single path for electric current to flow? Is it A, series circuit, B, parallel circuit, or C, open circuit? It's A, series circuit. Electrifying. Just one single loop. What property of a sound wave determines its pitch? Is it A, amplitude, B, speed, or C, frequency? It's C, frequency. High pitch. More waves mean higher sound. What is the pH value of a completely neutral substance? Is it A, 0, B, 7, or C, 14? It's B, 7, perfectly balanced. Pure water is neutral. What type of chemical bond is formed when atoms share electrons? Is it A, ionic, B, covalent, or C, metallic? It's B, covalent. Teamwork. They share electrons. Which cell division process results in 4 genetically unique daughter cells? Is it A, mitosis, B, meiosis, or C, binary fission? It's B, meiosis. Amazing! It makes unique cells. What law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed? Is it A, conservation of energy, B, Newton's first law, or C, Kepler's second law? It's A, conservation of energy. Unstoppable. Energy just changes form. Which layer of the Earth's atmosphere contains the protective ozone layer? Is it A, troposphere, B, stratosphere, or C, mesosphere? It's B, stratosphere. Safe. It blocks harmful UV rays. Which Newton's law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction? Is it A, first law, B, second law, or C, third law? It's C, third law. Action, reaction. Forces always match. What is the term for the maximum population size an environment can support? Is it A, carrying capacity, B, growth rate, or C, niche limit? It's A, carrying capacity, packed. Resources limit growth. What are the elements in group 18 of the periodic table called? Is it A, alkali metals, B, halogens, or C, noble gases? It's C, noble gases. Fancy. They rarely react. What is the primary function of red blood cells? Is it A, fighting infections, B, transporting oxygen, or C, clotting blood? It's B, transporting oxygen. Vital. They carry oxygen. What tissue in vascular plants transports water upward from the roots? Is it A, phloem, B, xylem, or C, stomata? It's B, xylem. Flowing. Water goes up. Which of these is an example of a chemical change? Is it A, rusting iron, B, melting ice, or C, chopping wood? It's A, rusting iron. Wow, it makes new material. Which heat transfer method occurs through direct contact between solids? Is it A, conduction, B, convection, or C, radiation? It's A, conduction. Hot. Heat moves by touch. If an object has a mass of 20 grams and a volume of 5 cubic pubics, what is its density? Is it A, 100 grams per cp cubic, B, 4 grams per cp cubic, or C, 15 grams per cp cubic? It's B, 4 grams per cubic centimeter. Math genius. Mass divided by volume. What is the phase of the moon when it is completely dark from Earth's view? Is it A, full moon, B, new moon, or C, third quarter? It's B, new moon. Spooky. It hides in shadow. What mineral is rated as a 1 on the Mohs hardness scale? Is it A, talc, B, gypsum, or C, quartz? It's A, talc. So soft. You can scratch it. What is a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction without being consumed? Is it A, solute, B, reactant, or C, catalyst? It's C, catalyst. Zoom! It speeds things up. What is the net force acting on a falling object when it reaches terminal velocity? Is it A, 0, B, equal to gravity, or C, infinite? It's A, 0, balanced. Gravity and air resistance match. Which taxonomic rank is immediately below class and above family? Is it A, phylum, B, order, or C, genus? It's B, organized. It groups related families. What is the boundary called where an advancing cold air mass replaces warmer air? Is it A, warm front, B, cold front, or C, stationary front? It's B, cold front. Brrr. It brings fast storms. Which organelle is responsible for packaging and shipping cellular proteins? Is it A, Golgi apparatus, B, lysosome, or C, endoplasmic reticulum? It's A, Golgi apparatus. Shipped. It packages proteins. What type of chemical reaction absorbs heat energy from its surroundings? Is it A, exothermic, B, endothermic, or C, combustion? It's B, endothermic. Chilly. It absorbs heat. What is the deepest known point in the Earth's oceans? Is it A, Mariana Trench, B, Puerto Rico Trench, or C, Java Trench? It's A, Mariana Trench. Deep. It goes way down. What are the alternative forms of a gene that govern the same trait called? Is it A, alleles, B, chromatids, or C, codons? It's A, alleles, genetics. They are gene variations. How much work is done when a force of 5 newtons moves an object 3 meters? Is it A, 8 joules, B, 1.6 joules, or C, 15 joules? It's C, 15 joules. Math power. Force times distance. What are the tiny pores on the underside of plant leaves used for gas exchange? Is it A, stomata, B, cuticles, or C, chloroplasts? It's A, stomata. Breathe. They let gases in. What is the point on Earth's surface directly above where an earthquake starts? Is it A, focus, B, epicenter, or C, hypocenter? It's B, epicenter. Shaky. It sits above the focus. What is the scientific term for the vertical columns in the periodic table? Is it A, periods, B, groups, or C, series? It's B, groups, chemistry. They share similar properties. How did you do? Tell us your score below and subscribe for more fun science showdowns.